some of the funniest dirt bike moments. At number 1, this guy wanted to go for a swim. And at number 2, this is how true friends react to your crashes. And at number 3, looks like someone needs a new bike.
Yo, check it out. Swing the bat on you like the devil himself. Put it on in sickness or health. Make it you could only